What's the meaning of Barings Bank? Barings Bank. Barings Bank.
Barings Bank. Barings Bank. Barings Bank was a British merchant bank founded in 1762 by Francis Baring. The bank played an important role in the development of international trade and finance, particularly during the 19th century. Barings Bank participated in many significant historical events, including the financing of the Louisiana Purchase by the United States in 1803 and the construction of railways in Europe and North America. However, the bank's history also includes significant failures. In 1890, the bank suffered a major crisis when it was unable to meet its obligations due to risky investments in South American bonds. As a result, the Bank of England had to step in and provide assistance in order to prevent a wider financial collapse.